Hi, my name is Ryan Bledsoe. I'm with Frothy Monkey Roasting Company, and today we're going to make a Monkey Mocha for you. We're going to start by using high quality coffee. We're using our Howler blend. It's the one we specifically do for espresso, so we highly recommend that one. We're going to be using some whole milk. We're using Hatcher Dairy, one of our favorite local dairies. And then we're going to be using Ghirardelli chocolate sauce, and we're also going to be using our house-made banana syrup. So we're going to start off by measuring out our syrup. We're going to do 10 mils of the banana syrup. We're going to do the same amount of the chocolate, just a 50-50. All right, and then I'm going to pull espresso and steam some milk for you. All right, so we'll start off with our 2 ounces of espresso. And I like to pull that shot on top of my syrup so that way it incorporates with the syrup better. All right, and while that espresso is going, I'm going to steam the milk. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and give the syrup a little extra mixing just to make sure that chocolate and banana are mixed in with the espresso nicely. All right, and then you go ahead and pour it in your mug. All right, before I pour my milk, I always like to give it a little stir to incorporate all the foam into the rest of the milk. And then always begin your pour just a little above the mug so that way we can get that foam and milk underneath the crema layer. And then when you're ready to draw with some latte art, just get a little bit closer, give a little shake out. And then you have a Monkey Mocha with a heart latte art on top. And there you go. You can grab a Monkey Mocha at any of our cafes, but if you'd like to make your own at home, you can get our banana syrup and the Howler espresso at frothymonkey.com. Follow us along for additional brew guides and recipes.